What's up, guys? Welcome back, Project Time Garage. This impeccable super long beast back here behind me is a early 99 F250, belongs to a friend of mine. Headliner in it, oh my god. Today we're going to fix that. So when I said headliner, this is what I meant. This is some fine craftsmanship going on right here. Look at that. Cut with a knife, anyone? So today we're going to set about the process of making that look better. So the headliner's held in with both sun visors, sun visor, I guess, clip thingies that go right there, a couple of push pins that go up there, the dome light, all the trim pieces, the seat belts, and A-pillars all have to come out in order to drop the headliner down. Also, so does this trim here. These things here, the seat belts, it's got two little buttons right here that pop out, and then they should slide down. We got the clothes hanger hook thingies, one on each side. Easy. So yeah, that's as far as it really needs to go.
Timber!
And it just falls right out, just like that. Ta-da! So, before we can put anything on this headliner, now that we've got the old, if you want to call it a headliner, off of here, we got to get this foam off of it. And it's a soft, kind of a pliable stuff, but this stuff is usually what fails. This is what breaks down and lets the headliner sag. It's adhered to this. You can see here where we've been working already. He's just using a flap disc on a drill, and it works very well. The other thing you can use is a bar brush, like a cut brush on a drill. But you have to be careful. These are a little bit aggressive. They work, but you just got to really take your time, be careful. This is a time-consuming process, so I'll show you what he's doing. All right, so we're gonna get about this and we're gonna try to get all this stuff off of here, and I'll bring you back when we are ready to start spraying adhesive. All right, so this is the end result. It's cleaned down to basically to the fiberglass itself. There's some areas here that have some problems. You really can't do a whole lot about that. You can fill it and, you know, sand it out. Otherwise, you're going to see it. But anyway, this is where we're at. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue on it and start laying out our headliner. So be right back. Okay, so we have the product, that'd be the fabric, laid out. We've got it to the point where we have equal overhang all the way around. And the object of the game now is, I've learned to fold them back this way, the way they curl, about halfway. And then we'll put some glue down on both sides, give it some time to tack up and get sticky. Then we'll fold it back over and start working it into the headliner. So let's go. All that's left to do now is find all the places where there's lights and bolts and things. I just use a plain razor blade to kind of cut those out and fold them back. So I'll start with this. Go. Don't go all the way to the edges, just go close. And just cut yourself a couple of reliefs. Don't like. Alright, there's our finished product. Got our holes cut. Got it cleaned up. A whole lot better than what was there. Let's put it back in the truck. Here we go. keep it, turn it a little more and get up on top of the dash.
There we go. Eureka! Oh, we gotta take the door seals.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta go over that pillar. Oh, I got mine. I'm short enough it didn't hit me in the head to start with. Brian just didn't want to ride with me no more because of that. It's an embarrassing thing. What are you doing?
Because I like your vehicle to not leak.
Little stuff. Dumb stuff. All right.
All right guys, here we go. So that is the headliner replaced in this truck. Looks a whole lot better. Got a little bit of a contrast going on, but you know what? Don't really mind that contrast of the gray because the seat covers are actually dark and the carpet is dark and all of the inlays on the dash are also dark. So it actually looks pretty good. So anyway, that's a project done. All right guys, headliner's replaced. It was a lot of fun, easy little project for a Saturday. It's a pretty easy thing to do. If your headliner's sagging, I encourage you to do that. You can get the fabric on Amazon, just dirt cheap. The cans of spray adhesive, also dirt cheap. I'll put a link down there in the description for some of that if you want to do yours. Anyway, appreciate you coming, hanging out today in the garage. Just a pretty Saturday to spend some time working on something. So anyway, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. See you next time.